Welcome to Compare to Win. The best green bin is probably one of the most essential tools for any household looking to embrace sustainable living and reduce their environmental footprint, offering a convenient and efficient way to manage organic waste right from your kitchen. This seemingly simple addition to your home can significantly impact your recycling efforts, diverting food scraps and yard waste from landfills and transforming them into valuable compost that nourishes gardens and reduces greenhouse gas emissions. Its design often focuses on odor control and ease of use, making the composting process less daunting and more accessible for everyone, regardless of their prior experience with waste management. Number 5. Sorbus Foldable Storage Cubes, 6-pack green. Introducing a set of 6 foldable storage cubes designed to bring order to any room. These attractive baskets offer a lightweight solution for keeping your belongings tidy and organized. Perfect for a variety of items, from toys and books to clothes and seasonal decorations. Use them in closets, playrooms, nurseries, or any area that needs a touch of organization. When not in use, these cubes fold flat for convenient storage. They assemble in seconds, making organization effortless. Crafted from non-woven polypropylene with a sturdy cardboard base, these bins are built to last. Dual handles make them easy to carry wherever you need them. These 11-inch cubes come in a lovely green color, adding a touch of style to your home organization. They perfectly complement cube storage shelves. Simplify your life with these practical and stylish storage solutions. Keep your home neat and clutter-free with this essential set. What we like. These are fantastic for quick organization in any room. If you need a flexible storage solution that can be easily tucked away when not in use, these are a great choice. They are perfect for nurseries or playrooms where you need to store toys and then quickly tidy up. What people say. The lid seals tightly, preventing odors from escaping. It's sturdy and well-made, with a convenient handle for carrying. The size is perfect for a week's worth of compost. Number 4. StorageWorks Fabric Storage Bins. These storage bins are built to last with durable fabric, a strong metal frame, and a reinforced base. They stand tall and keep their shape, even when they're empty. These large baskets are perfect for everyday organization. They can neatly hold a variety of items like clothes, towels, blankets, and toys. Featuring 2 securely attached handles, these bins are easy to carry. You can lift and move them around without worrying about strain or tearing. Use them on shelves or in closets to keep your spaces tidy. They are ideal for bedrooms, living rooms, laundry rooms, bathrooms, and dorms. When not in use, these bins fold flat for easy storage. This design helps you optimize your space efficiently. What we like. These offer a more robust and structured storage option. If you're looking for bins that will stand up on their own and can handle heavier items like blankets or books, these are ideal. They are perfect for closets or shelves where you want a neat and tidy appearance. What people say. The lid seals tightly, preventing odors from escaping and keeping pests out. It's surprisingly lightweight, making it easy to move even when full. The sturdy construction feels durable and built to last through various weather conditions. Number 3. HOMZ Durabilt 27-gallon heavy-duty plastic storage bins. Take control of your home and garage organization with these heavy-duty storage bins. This set is designed to help you conquer any clutter and achieve ultimate organization. Each bin is constructed from shatter-resistant material, ensuring durability. They feature a convenient hinged lid and easy-to-use handles, making storage a breeze. These containers are designed to be space-saving and stackable. You can neatly store anything from seasonal clothing to tools, maximizing your vertical storage space. Feel good about organizing your belongings. These bins are made from 90% recycled materials, making them a great choice for both your items and the planet. Discover the perfect storage solution for every need. Let us help you transform your house into a perfectly organized HOMZ. What we like. These are built for serious storage and durability. If you need to organize items in your attic, garage, or for holiday decorations, these are the ones to get. Their stackable nature makes them perfect for maximizing space in less used areas. What people say. The lid seals tightly, keeping odors contained and pests out. It's sturdy and well-made, with a durable handle that makes it easy to move, even when full. The size is perfect for a week's worth of organic waste for a small household. Number 2. Exaco ECO 2000 NP Kitchen Compost Pail. Introducing the Exaco ECO 2000 NP, your solution for easy kitchen composting. It holds 2.4 gallons of organic waste, perfect for your garden. Crafted from high-density polyethylene, this pail is built for strength and long-term use. You can count on its durability for all your composting needs. Tired of kitchen odors? This pail features a carbon filter to significantly reduce smells. Replacement filters are readily available to keep your kitchen fresh. Transporting your kitchen scraps is a breeze with its convenient handle. Carry waste directly to your outdoor composter without any mess. Its simple green finish complements any kitchen decor. This pail is as stylish as it is functional, blending seamlessly into your home. With dimensions of 9D x 8.5 W x 11H, it fits perfectly on your countertop or under your sink. Enjoy a compact yet spacious composting solution. What we like? This is specifically designed for managing kitchen scraps. If you're looking to start composting or simply want a convenient way to collect food waste without unpleasant smells, this is the perfect solution. It's ideal for anyone interested in reducing their environmental impact. What people say. The lid seals tightly, preventing odors from escaping and keeping pests out. It's sturdy and well-made, with a durable handle that makes it easy to move even when full. The size is perfect for our household needs, holding enough waste between collections without being too bulky. Number 1. TableTop King 41 QT Rectangular Recycling Wastebasket. This wastebasket features a sturdy rectangular shape, designed to fit seamlessly into any indoor environment. Its durable construction ensures long-lasting use. With a large 10-gallon capacity, it can hold a substantial amount of waste. This means fewer trips to empty it out, making your cleanup more efficient. The wastebasket comes in a classic green color. This versatile shade is designed to complement any indoor decor, blending in effortlessly. Made from 100% recyclable materials, this bin is an environmentally conscious option. Choosing it helps you make a positive impact. It includes a convenient built-in trash compactor. This feature helps reduce waste volume, simplifying the disposal process. What we like? This wastebasket is all about efficient waste management. If you need a solution for recycling that can handle a good volume and help reduce the frequency of emptying, this is a great option. It's suitable for any indoor space where you want to keep recycling organized. What people say. The lid seals tightly, preventing odors from escaping and keeping pests out. It's made of durable, UV-resistant plastic that holds up well in various weather conditions. The wheels make it easy to move, even when full, which is a great convenience. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.